Hey everyone. Today I'm breaking down a real frontline combat mission from Ukraine. I'll walk you through every major moment so you can follow what the unit saw, how they moved, and what decisions they made under pressure. The mission begins with a simple order. Get ready. The team responds, ready, let's move. Gunfire starts almost immediately. Flashlights come on as the soldiers push into the dark forest. Every step is slow and careful. 102. They check the area. Clear? Clear. The Bazaar squad reports in. Command tells them to move. A Russian position is spotted on the right. The plan is straightforward. Drones first, infantry next. The operation is now underway. 140. A grenade explodes nearby. Someone shouts, "Surrender!" Another voice warns the team that an enemy grenade has been thrown. The soldiers dive for cover. The situation turns chaotic fast. 252. One of the troops yells, "Left! Move left!" A Russian fighter is taken down. The body is dragged out of the open and into the bushes to avoid being seen by drones. A quick call follows. "Cover me! Go!" The team keeps advancing. 352. 15 to 20 meters ahead, they see another spot of cover. A voice calls out, "Drop your weapon!" The man in front shouts that he's Azerbaijani. The soldier replies, "Doesn't matter. Drop the weapon." They question him. "Are you alone?" There's movement around them. It might be an ambush. 426. The prisoner insists he's alone. He's injured and appears to be around 50 years old. They ask if he can walk. At first he says yes, but soon he can't keep moving. They help him along and give him water, telling him to drink slowly. 526. His radio mic is still active, which is dangerous. The team keeps a close eye on him. One of the soldiers says, "Guys like you are the reason we fight." It's a tough moment. 635. Command orders the team forward again. Another man is told to surrender. They question him. "Where are you from? How did you get here?" He says he got lost in the firefight and ended up trapped. 724. One soldier says, "You're lucky." The prisoner explains that he was forced into the fight. He's terrified. The soldier replies, "If you surrendered, you'll live. Today, you work with us." 753. Suddenly, an FPV drone attack hits the area. The team shouts, "FPV incoming!" A strike lands nearby. Another drone circles overhead. Everyone gets under the trees for cover. 940. The team thanks the prisoner who helped them. Another enemy is spotted and ordered to surrender. He raises his hands. The team secures him and checks the area. Command warns, "Last chance, drop the weapon." He obeys. 1106. They continue clearing the forest. They now have 3 prisoners and 4 confirmed dead. One injured fighter has a hand wound that's been rotting for 4 or 5 days. They ask how it happened. He says it was a mine blast. The tendon is visible. They secure him and treat what they can. 1219. The team reaches a destroyed building. Someone shouts, "Grenade! Hold!" Voices come from a basement. 4 or 5 men are hiding down there. They haven't eaten in 2 days. They surrender immediately. The team loads them into vehicles. 1354. The soldiers tell them, "You surrendered. You'll live. No one is going to kill you here." The final count, 7 prisoners and 4 dead. The forest goes quiet again. The mission is complete.